Hi there, I'm Katie and this is the How to Be a Minimalist YouTube channel. You can find the podcast by clicking on the link in the description box below. It's full of inspiration for minimalism and simple living. I was just getting ready to make my kids some breakfast and I thought I would take you along for this pumpkin spice coffee cake. I hope you enjoy. First off, I've lined an 8x8 pan and I also have my oven preheating to about 375. Now I have an RV oven and so it's really not perfectly accurate, but 375 should be quite safe. Your cooking time might vary. First, we're gonna start off with about 1 1/4 cup of milk. To that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ground flax. They act as eggs. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You also have to have vanilla, right? So we're gonna add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then give this a whisk and set aside. Okay, to this I'm gonna add about 3/4 cup of pumpkin. For our dry ingredients, we're gonna add 2 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Some people find it too strong to just have pumpkin pie spice, so I like to add in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and then 1 1/2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. I always use my Dutch dough whisk. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 cup of sugar. I like to use coconut sugar. You can use any type of sugar, totally fine, and you can also adjust it to your taste. Now I'm gonna add in my little pumpkin milk mixture. Oh my goodness, such a beauty. So you can see that's kind of like crispy on the top, which just gives it a really nice little crunch, but it's nicely risen. It smells delicious. You can also see how the cake has kind of come away from the sides. It's another really good sign that it is done, as well as that's where you can see I stuck it in a toothpick and it came out clean, so that works really well. If you have something really fancy going on, if you just lightly drizzled a little bit of glaze on here, just mix up maybe 1/2 cup of powdered sugar with a little bit of vanilla and plant milk. It would be delicious, but you really don't have to, I don't think. I think it's gonna be just the right amount of sweetness. Of course, if you have something fancy, you wanna kind of impress people, a little glaze always does wonders.
I have kids' approval.
There you go, has the kids' approval. Thanks so much for watching this kind of impromptu video. I really was just making up this recipe as I went and oh my goodness, I can't believe how good it tasted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel so you can get other recipes as well as minimalist inspiration, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.